In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Google Chat in Gmail. This process is straightforward and will allow you to integrate Google Chat seamlessly into your everyday emailing routine. Let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner of your inbox where you'll see the settings icon. It's represented by a small gear symbol. Click on this icon to open the Quick Settings menu. This menu provides shortcuts to some of Gmail's key features, but for now we want to explore the full range of options. So next, click on See All Settings. This will take you to the settings main page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail. Once you're on the main settings page, look at the top where you see a series of tabs. Click on the tab labeled Chat and Meet. This section allows you to manage chat functionalities within your Gmail. When you're there, you'll notice options related to Google Chat. Choose the option that says Google Chat. This selection will enable the chat feature, allowing you to connect with others directly through Gmail. Remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes so that your new settings are properly applied. It's a simple but crucial step to make sure everything is set up correctly. After saving changes, you'll notice a chat section appears on the left-hand side of your Gmail interface beneath your inbox and labels. Click on the chat section. Here you will find different options to interact with Google Chat. Now, to start a conversation, click on New Chat. A small window will open, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you wish to reach out to. Type in the email address of your contact, ensuring it's correct to avoid any misdirection. Once you've entered the email address, click Start Chat. This begins your conversation thread and allows you to communicate instantly. Now you're ready to type your message. Simply enter your text in the message box, just like you would in any other chat platform. It's that easy. Your correspondence will appear in real time, making it efficient for quick messages and collaborations. And there you have it, a seamless integration of Google Chat within your Gmail, making it easier to stay in touch with colleagues, friends, or family. By following these steps, you can enhance how you use Gmail, combining email and chat functionalities in one streamlined platform. Thank you for following along today. Be sure to explore the other features Google Chat offers to boost your productivity even further.